Sometimes you open your phone not because you're bored, but because you're overwhelmed. And instead of another social feed or notification, you wish there was something gentle waiting for you. Which is where Finch begins to feel surprisingly comforting, because it connects mental health with a small virtual companion. And that connection slowly turns self-care into something approachable rather than intimidating. The idea behind Finch is simple yet emotional. You care for a small bird character, and as you complete real-life self-care tasks, your bird grows and explores its world. That link between your actions and your pet's progress bridges responsibility with reflection, because instead of focusing purely on productivity, the app encourages emotional check-ins. When you log your mood or complete a breathing exercise, it doesn't feel like a chore. It feels like you're helping your companion thrive, and that subtle shift connects accountability with warmth. What makes Finch different from traditional habit trackers is its tone. Rather than pushing strict goals, it promotes small steps, such as drinking water, journaling briefly, or taking a short walk. These tiny actions bridge intention with realism because they are manageable even on difficult days. Over time, those small tasks accumulate, and the act of caring for your bird connects self-compassion with consistency. You're not striving for perfection, you're building gentle progress. Finch offers a free version with core features like daily check-ins, basic goals, and mood tracking. There is also a premium subscription option, often called Finch Plus, which unlocks additional exercises, guided reflections, and expanded customization options. Pricing typically follows a monthly or annual model, with annual plans offering better overall value. For users deeply invested in personal growth, the premium tier can enhance variety and depth, while the free version still provides meaningful support. Over time, the routine becomes less about opening an app and more about creating a moment of pause in your day. What begins as checking in with a virtual bird slowly transforms into checking in with yourself. The connection between your well-being and your companion's progress makes the experience feel shared rather than solitary. And somewhere between logging a small win and watching your bird flutter off on another adventure, you begin to notice that caring for something outside yourself has quietly encouraged you to care for yourself too. And as you close the app after another gentle reminder to breathe, the calm feeling lingers softly into whatever comes next. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.